Okay, good morning friends. Today we have to start exercise 7.2. In the first question, in an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equal to AC, the bisector of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. Join A to O and show that first OB is equal to OC and second AO bisect angle A. Okay, now we have to first start that. Just in a triangle ABC, we know that what is AB is equal to AC, right? So I can also write ABC angle. I can write angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Why? Here AB and AC is equal. So I can write ABC angle, this angle, and ACB this angle. Why? Because theorem 7.2. Theorem 7.2. What is the theorem 7.2? It is that the isosceles triangle is two sides equal as a triangle. Then opposite angle also should be same. So this should be angle is same. So ABC and is equal to ACB. This is the equation. Now I can write that I can also write both side cancellation 1 by 2. 1 by 2 angle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 angle ACB. Here I multiply both sides 1 by 2 with the 1 by 2, this both sides. So I am getting this. Okay? Then make part. Sure. Now, we know that 1 half of ABC is what? ABC it is. It is 1 half. We can write that also OBC. Then I can write the angle OBC is equal to angle here OCB. Right? Any guess? So now I can take this angle. One part I can take a part of here. So OBC is here. We know that here getting that OBC, okay, this angle, and angle OCB, this angle. This both angles same, then opposite sides should be same. It is given by the theorem 7.3. We are studying about in the last lecture. So I can write that here OB is equal to OC. So I can write that OB is equal to OC. This is our first achievement is okay. First question is okay. Now, second one. What is the second one? Yes, this AO bisect angle A. Then, how can we prove? Yes, first I can write here that ABC is equal to AC. We know that AB is equal to AC, then ABC is equal to ACB. I can write angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. We also know that put multiply with 1 by 2 both sides. So I can write 1 by 2 angle ABC, 1 by 2 angle AC. First solution of this. Okay. So I can cut OBA also. Otherwise, ABO we can write this angle. This whole angle ABC is the 1 by 2 is ABO and ACO this side AC This 1 by 2 ACD, then ACO. We can write this type ABO, ACO. This is the 1 by 2. So I cut that. So I can write here angle ABO is equal to angle ACO. Okay? This ABO and ACO equal. Now I can take, what is the take? In triangle ABO and triangle ACO. ABO and ACO. First of all, I can write that AB is equal to AC. It is given. It is given that question AB is equal to AC. Second thing, I can write angle ABO is equal to angle ACO. This is we can prove this linear. I can write that equation. I can write this equation. This equation 1. This is 2. This is 3. And this is the angle. Equation number 4 by 4. Okay? By equation 4. And also we know that what is OB is equal to OC. Then OB is equal to OC by equation 3. So I can also write triangle ABO congruent triangle ACO. Why? By rule side angle side. SAS rule. We can write. Okay? Now I can also write that angle BAO is equal to angle CAO. Okay? This angle is same because CT. Why? This is the congruent, both triangle is congruent. So I can write BAO, this angle, and CAO, this angle. Both are angle same. Okay? Now I am going to this main triangle is that angle BAC is equal to angle BAO plus angle CAO. Okay? Because it is the adjacent angles. Okay? And we are also right, but we know that in the equation number 5, BAO is equal to CAO also. So I can write angle BAC is equal to angle BAO plus CAO replaced with BAO. So I can angle BAC is equal to twice angle BAO. Then 1 by 2 is here. So 1 by 2 angle BAC is equal to angle BAO. So BAO is 1 half of angle BAC. BAO is 1 half this. So I can write that AO is bisect angle A. This the solution is complete. Okay? See the carefully and write down your notebooks. See. Okay, now example number 2 of the 7.2 example number 2. In a triangle ABC, AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. See in the figure. In the triangle ABC, AD is a perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay? Perpendicular because this is the 90. So that the triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. This ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. As the like this. So first of all, we can try to first that I can part. Okay. First I can write in a triangle ABC. AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. So I can write that BD is equal to CD. BD and CD both are same. This is the equation 1. And we are also, I can write that angle ADB is equal to angle ADC is equal to 90. This is the equation number 2. Because it is perpendicular bisector, the angle should be 90. Now, I can write that triangle ABD and triangle SCD. ACD. In the triangle ABD and S, we are right. First of all, we are right that this BD is equal to BD is equal to CD by equation 1, here equation 2 by equation 2. We can write that angle ADB is equal to angle ABC. Okay, this is the ABC. And we also write that AD is equal to AD. This is the one side. Okay, because this is the one. So we are right. We can write that angle triangle ABD congruent triangle ACD by the side angle side rule, SAS rule. Okay, SAS rule, side angle side rule. So we are also right AB is equal to AC. Why? Because CP CD is both triangle same. Then we can write AB and AC both same. So we can say that. So we can say that triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. Okay? See the carefully and write down on your notebooks. Got it? Okay, now 7.2 example number 3. Triangle ABC is a isosceles triangle in which altitude BE and CF are drawn to equal sides AC and AB respectively, so that these altitudes are equal. Okay, fine. We have to find first of all FCF and BE should be equal. We have to prove that. Okay. In this situation, this triangle is isosceles triangle. So first I can write in a triangle ABC, see, is isosceles. So AB is equal to AC. Equation number 1. Here AB is equal to EC. And we are know that angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Why? Theorem 7.2. Okay, we know that about this. This is the theorem 7.2 because AB and AC are equal, then opposite angles should be same. ABC is equal to ACB. Okay, this is equation number 2. Okay, and we know that if ABC and ACB is equal, then we can also write FBC and ECB should be equal. Here angle FBC is equal to angle ECB because F and E on AB and AC same angle. So we can write that this is the equation number 3. Okay, what if this type? Now we are right in triangle. What is the FBC and triangle EBC? In this triangle, first of all, I can write that angle, just a minute, FBC and ECB, angle FBC is equal to ECB, FBC and ECB. These both angles are same. This is the equation number by equation 3. By 3. Also we can write BC is equal to CB. Common angle, common side, sorry. This is the common side and this is the angle. What is the angle? This angle. What is this? Angle BFC is equal to angle BFC and BEC. Sorry, CEB. Here BFC and CEB both angle same because 90 right angle. So we can write that triangle FBC congruent triangle EBC by angle side rule. Two angle on one side, angle side rule. So we are also write that B CF, here CF is equal to B by CP. Okay, so these altitude are equal. Altitude okay, see the carefully and write down on your notebooks. Okay, this is the case question number 7.2, example number 4. ABC is a triangle which altitude B and CF to sides AC and AB are equal. See in the figure. So that triangle ABE congruent triangle ACF. Second thing, AB is equal to AC. We have to prove. ABC is a triangle, isosceles triangle. We have to prove this. First of, I can write in a triangle. In a triangle ABE and triangle SCF. Okay. Now we are start here. Angle. First of angle ACF AEB, sorry, I can do AEB. This right angle, I can make this AB is triangle here and AFC is here. This is the right angle AEB is equal to angle AFC. Okay, this is the 90 altitude. Okay. Also, I can write that angle A is equal to angle A. This angle means that this angle. This is the common angle. Okay. Now, last one. What is the last one? B and C equal. Because B and CF sides AC and AC are equal. B and CF equal. B is equal to CF. It is given in the question. So we can write triangle ABE congruent triangle ACF. Okay. So by angle side rule. So I can write that AB is equal to AC by CP. Okay. So I have triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, it is an isosceles triangle. See the carefully and write down on your notebooks. Example number 5. In this question, triangle ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles. Two isosceles triangles. It is given that this is both triangle, first and second, both are isosceles triangles. Okay? On the same base on BC. So, we have to prove angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. First off, I can start here. Angle ABC and angle DBC are adjacent triangle. So adjacent triangle. So I can write that angle ABC plus angle DBC is equal to angle ABD. This is the equation number 1. Okay. Now, also I can write angle ACB and angle. What is the answer? DCB is adjacent triangle. This is the adjacent triangle. This angle and this angle. So I can write angle ACB, this ACB, this and this DCB is equal to angle ACB. Question number 2. Now I can also write in a triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. It is given that because ABC and DBC two isosceles triangle, it is given. So I can AB is equal to write AC. It is given. Okay. So we are right also that what is the right? We can write that angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. This is the equation number 3, and by the theorem 7.2. What is the theorem 7.2? Is two isosceles triangle, two side equal, then opposite angles should be also same. So I can write by this theorem too. ABC is equal to AC. Also write in triangle DBC. We can write BD is equal to CD. It is given. Why? BD is equal to CD because ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles, so both sides are same. This BD and CD. So we can also write angle. What is the angle? DBC. This both side angle, the opposite side angle, both same. DBC is equal to angle DCB. Equation number 4 by the theorem 7.2. So I can add. We are editing equation number 3 plus equation number 4. So I can write also write triangle ABC, left hand side to left hand side, plus angle DBC, right hand side to right hand side, ACB plus angle DCB. Okay, but we are know that what is the ABC plus DBC. What is ABC plus DCB is ABD. So I can write here angle ABD is equal to here ACB plus DCB. ACB plus DCB, where ACB plus DCB. So I can write here angle ACB. ACB. So which is here to find this ABD is equal to ACB is here. Okay, got it? See the carefully and write down on your notebooks.